Hi guys, so firstly what I want to do, I want to comment out the block of text we've got just below. I'm going to be using that a bit later. And there we go, that's all done. Now, we're going to talk about giving input to the computer. So we want the computer to do something that we tell it to. Now firstly, we're going to create an integer, int x. Now, over here we need a cout. Enter your fave num. I'm hoping people know that that means number. And I'm hoping that people know that fave means whatever. Now, we can now put in CIN. It's CIN, but I just like calling it CIN. And instead of using these to less, I don't know what these ones are actually called at the moment, but we need to use the opposite one for CIN, and I'll go over that in the next video because I have been told by people that I haven't made this clear yet, and I intend to do that next one. Now, so we're going to cout. We're going to do x. So now we'll run this through. See what happens. Enter your favourite number. I'm going to go with 96. Some people might get it and all that if you reverse it and all, but just thought use the basics, not oversimplify it. But now we'll run this one again and enter the letter D. Well, let's return 0. Oh, we got 0 because D's not an integer, it's a string or a character. It depends on how it would be classified in this case. Now, what we need to be understanding of is that we didn't need to end the line here. In fact, I'll do this now and I'll show you what happens. So we're just being pushed down a line. Now we don't need this because once we hit enter we've gone down a line anyway. By the way, if you enter a value of null, it doesn't accept it. So we'll just wait till you enter a positive, an integer or a character or just anything. But it just needs you to enter something. Now, because we don't need this end line here, you generally wouldn't want to put it, but sometimes you might need it. So it's really up to you. If you need to do it, but otherwise don't worry about it now. So you can see -000 is still 0, so that's good. And would you like to run this one last time? And yes, 0001 is still 1. So what we've got to take away from this is the difference between cout and CIN, because there's not much, but it's just little subtle differences. Now, CIN is very short and pretty easy. If I remember correctly, in Java it's system.in.print or something like that. But we've just got a nice 3-letter word followed by 2 CIN is greater than X signs. Then we could just print it out with another cout. So I'm going to let you go this time now, and we'll come back in the next tutorial and we'll just go over this a little bit more and explain some parts that I might have left out beforehand. And I'll hope to see you then. Anyway, good luck, and remember to like and subscribe.